What's going on, guys? It's Nando back again with one more video. Thanks for stopping by and welcome to the Geek Nation squad, yo. If you are a returning viewer, let me know in the comment section below with hashtag Geek Nation. If you are new, welcome. Feel free to hit that subscribe button. Guys, I appreciate every single one of those. But today, let's get right to it. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Fitbit Charge 4 Special Edition. So a couple weeks ago, Fitbit started leaking this. This kind of came out of nowhere. And right off the bat, I'm going to be honest with you guys. It looks exactly the same as a Fitbit Charge 3. Special Edition this year only includes a new different kind of woven band. And that's it. In previous iterations, when you upgraded to that special edition, you were getting things such as Fitbit Pay. No, this time you're getting Fitbit Pay with the standard edition. So I'm going to link this in the description so you guys can check it out for yourself and buy it if you'd like. But the standard model is $149.99 in the United States. The special edition is $169.99. So $20 more gets you the band. All right. I don't think that's worth it. In the past, those $20 extra got you Fitbit Pay. That's not the case this time. So just think about that for a second. Anyways, let's open this up, take a look at it. And then that's pretty much what this video is going to be. I want you guys to let me know in the comment section below if you have any questions, if there's anything in particular that you want me to check out. And then I'm going to be making a likes, a dislikes, and then a final review on the Fitbit Charge 4. So take this video as an opportunity to kind of let me know what you want me to look into or review. Take a look at it for yourself, and we'll go from there. The biggest reason for me getting this thing is quite simply GPS. So that is the big reason for the Fitbit Charge 4. The design language is exactly the same. And the big difference, again, Fitbit Pay comes with the standard model, but GPS, built-in GPS, not connected GPS, built-in GPS. What does that mean? You can leave your phone behind. You can take just the Fitbit, go on your walk, go on your run, go do whatever you do, and track your location. People that are into fitness to that extent, this is exactly what you want. One less device to carry on you. That's just going to make it much more convenient and a bigger, satisfaction, much more pleasurable experience doing what you do. So let us take a look at the band real quick. I hope this is a one size fits all, because this right here, yeah, that's not going to cut it. That's tiny. Here we go. Here's the extra band. So you get your generic black kind of honeycomb rubber band, if you will. That's included. Not a rubber band. This is just a rubber material. And then you've got the quote-unquote special edition right here in this woven pattern and a different kind of locking mechanism. I mean, same locking mechanism, but it just looks a little different right here. So that's that. And then you're probably going to get your generic and proprietary charging cable, which I hate. I absolutely hate this. Everybody that I know hates proprietary charging cables. There's no reason why they exist. Companies just do it so that they make more money. But here it is. You just clip on here in the back like so, plug it in, and you're up and running. And that's it. Literature is what else you see in here. But let's go ahead and peel this bad boy back. And my unboxing game is just not on it today. So here's the band. Take a look at it. Small little module. Comparing it to my Xiaomi Mi Watch 4, whatever you call this thing, definitely bigger. But this also has much bigger bezels. I mean, the actual screen size is very small here in the middle. I've had the Fitbit Charge 3. I've been pretty much used the Fitbit for quite a while. Again, previous videos I've reviewed even Garmin fitness trackers, etc. There's things that I just love about Fitbit. I know they've been purchased by Google as of late. No one really knows what exactly is going to come from that. But there's certain things about Fitbit that I really enjoy. For example, I love sleep tracking. The number one reason why I wear this, quite frankly, is not because I'm actually working out and doing those things, which I should be doing, but it's because of the fact that I like to know how I'm sleeping, how many hours I'm sleeping, and things like that. Of course, I want to know, how many steps I've taken and things like that. But I can do without that. This really isn't primarily fitnessy first for me. It's more lifestyle first for me. I really don't care about the notifications either. But I love that Fitbit tracks naps and things of that nature. Garmin did not do that. So if you fall asleep, take a nap, etc., Fitbit is going to track that. I'm excited just because it's going to give you the water resistance or waterproofing that the Charge 3 had. Built-in GPS obviously is really nice. That's definitely going to affect your battery life, but that goes without saying. Fitbit Pay is cool. Just another form of payment, whatever. But yeah, there you have it. Really not much more to say about this. Let me know in the comment section below if there's anything in particular that you want me to focus on. And like always, I'll catch you guys in the next video. It was Nando. Peace, salute, adios. And don't forget to subscribe and stay geeky like always. I'll catch you guys in the next video.